Reuters, Wall Street rose on Monday as energy stocks were boosted by U.S. crude hitting $70 per barrel for the first time since late 2014, while technology shares were lifted by Apple Euro trademark's sixth day of gains. The S&P Energy Index surged 2%, the biggest gainer among the 11 major S&P sectors, as oil prices were supported by the latest troubles for Venezuelan oil company PDVSA and a looming decision on whether the United States will reimpose sanctions on Iran. O/R. Apple was up 0.9%, extending its gains since it reported results last week and after Berkshire Hathaway on Friday disclosed that it had boosted its stake in the iPhone maker. Warren Buffett told CNBC on Monday, "A euro trademark D love to own 100% of it. A euro rising oil prices are really helping a part of the market that a euro trademark S lagged dramatically. A euro," said Rick Meckler, president of investment firm Liberty View Capital Management in Jersey City, New Jersey. A euro, but there a euro trademark S, no question that a euro trademark S going to become part of story in the fear that people have for companies that have input prices to be concerned with and also for inflation. A euro worries over inflation and interest rates, along with tariff and geopolitical tensions, have overshadowed a solid earnings season, which is on track to record its best quarter in 7 years. Nearly 80% of the 417 S&P 500 companies that have reported so far have topped profit estimates, according to Thomson Reuters I/B/E/S. That is well above the long-term average of 64% and the average of 75% over the past 4 quarters. Wall Street rallied on Friday after weaker than expected U.S. wage growth number allayed fears about rising interest rates. Given that there was a bit of reprieve from some of the concerns about wage inflation, certainly the CPI and PPI will garner the market. A euro trademark's attention midweek. A euro, said Bill Northey, chief investment officer at U.S. Bank Wealth Management. At 12:57 p.m. ET, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 145.23 points, or 0.60%, at 24,407.74. The S&P 500 was up 12.83 points, or 0.48%, at 2,676.25, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 59.12 points, or 0.82%, at 7,268.74. 8 of the 11 major S&P sectors were higher, with the technology index a euro trademark S 0.8% gain providing the biggest boost to the S&P 500 index. Athena Health jumped 15.6% after hedge fund Elliott Management proposed an all-cash offer that would value the healthcare IT company at about $6.5 billion. Sectors that are sensitive to rise in U.S. bond yields such as utilities, consumer staples, and telecoms were all down between 0.37% and 0.7%. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners for a 2.12 to 1 ratio on the NYSE. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners for a 2.04 to 1 ratio on the Nasdaq. The S&P index recorded 24 new 52-week highs and 4 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 105 new highs and 16 new lows.